When programming, we use numbers, words, and other types of variables to give input and receive output from a program. Variables are used to store these values so that the program can use it later. The first variable type we're looking at is the integer and the double. Integers and doubles are used to handle numbers in programming. Using numbers in Python is very similar to using them in math. Basic mathematical functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are simple enough to understand. Math expressions also work. We'll try a few basic math inputs and see how the outputs look. As you can see, addition and subtraction are quite simple. The asterisk is used for multiplication and the slash for division. We create a number variable by assigning it to a value. Let's create variable num1 and set it equal to 14. This is a whole number and thus an integer. Let's make a second variable num2 and set it equal to 2. We can use these variables to do some calculations. Adding the numbers together gives us 16 and dividing num1 by num2 gives us 7. To use power functions, we use two asterisks. Take 14 to the power of 2. Numbers with decimal points like 10.54 are doubles. In Python specifically, we don't have to worry too much about confusing integers and doubles as they are used in the same way. Just note that when we use functions that we'll discuss in later lessons, some of them will require whole numbers to work. We can round doubles to integers by using the simple round function. Note that the number gets rounded down from 0.5 and up if it's higher than 0.5. These variables will be used in all programming languages and are important to understand well